We're doing very well. What about you?
Doing good. Thanks for making time. What time is it for you? And
Our time is 10:20 a.m.
okay, so you're obviously quite a bit different.
And
10, okay, so in
what
the
is your
morning.
time?
We're 9:20 p.m. So evening.
Okay. Oh, almost 10 hours. 10 or 20?
I guess almost was it almost about 12, 11, 12 hours. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I am very weak in the math, so that's why.
Yeah, no problem. Um well yeah, hey, I was gonna connect. Thanks for doing the time with this. I had thought that my YouTube channel was under my work Google Workspace, but actually I was just messing with it. I think it's actually under my personal Gmail, which is great because I can get you access to that much easier than my company Google Workspace. Um, so yeah, so obviously I think I found that it might be easier than I thought. So let me know the best way to add you in or how that works, but I'd love to get you access to the YouTube channel and then have you do whatever you think is best.
Okay, for giving your YouTube channel access, just let me show my screen, then I
Okay.
will show you the process. At first, you have to go to your YouTube Studio section and you have to click on. Can you see my screen, sir?
I can now. Yeah. Let's see.
Okay.
So I'm
Then,
on the main
okay. So
page.
then you have to click on settings section.
Oh, settings. Okay. Oh, let's
Settings.
see.
I think there is some issue in the internet and it's very slow. The net issue is
How did you get to the YouTube?
if I share with you a small tutorial how to give access, then can you able to give access? Because it's very slow, my internet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or
Yeah. You can go
you can
access. Yep.
share your screen. Then I can guide you.
Okay. Let's do that. Yeah. That way I can give you. That might be faster because yeah, I couldn't studio part that you mentioned. So if I go to my channel, it's
Okay, you have to go to your YouTube studio.
where's the studio part? I'm trying to think. Your movies, your videos,
No,
playlist
no.
history,
You have to click on your channel logo
YouTube.
section on the right. Yes, on the right corner, right corner. Yes, in here.
Right there.
Then YouTube Studio.
Oh, YouTube Studio. Here we go.
Yes.
Got it. Ah, okay. I did not know
Then
that
you
part.
have to
Okay.
click on settings. Settings, yes.
Okay. Settings is here. Okay.
Then permissions.
Okay. So under brand account, what do I want to do? View account info or view account profile or manage permissions?
No, that is not a solution. So, I understood that, sir. Actually, for fast, you have to create your account as a brand account. So it's a lengthy process. So, for that, um, I have to share a tutorial with you, and by watching that you have to create your account as a brand account, and after that you can give access to anyone, otherwise it's
Okay,
not
so for
possible.
right now, my account is not a brand account.
Yes, your account is not a brand account.
And then that's a different, like more of like a brand account, like a business account or something like that, kind of.
Yes. A brand account. If you made as a brand account, then you can get extra some benefit. So after finish our meeting, my boy will send you a small tutorial with you. Then you can meet easily. Or if you face any problem, then you can share my boy. He will fix your problem.
Okay, okay. So then so step one, make it a brand account, and then I can give you permissions to the brand account, is how that works.
Yes.
Okay. And then do you do, so obviously I know you do promoting of videos that I've already made. do you also do YouTube advertising and or like shorts on YouTube?
Yes, yes, of course. We can promote your existing videos, or we can promote your new videos. There is no problem. And also we can promote your long or short form video. Yes, it's possible, but you can get a very high result with your new videos. It's very effective to SEO, for SEO.
So I have a first time home buyer webinar that I want to promote. And I guess on the videos, I could promote the first time home buyer webinar, and then you would drive traffic to that. Or is there advertisements that I should do to promote? Because basically, I want people to know about it and then register to watch it and engage with the webinar. Is that something that you guys could also help with?
Yes, yes, of course. We have already worked many client in US, UK, Canada, so that's why we know. At first, we have to research your niche related keyword. That means which category is your channel and your audience search on YouTube by which keyword for searching your niche related, your category related videos. We have to find out this type of keyword, and then we have to input and include this type of keyword your videos backend section and optimize your videos, like your videos title section, description section, and also text section. And for finding high volume keyword, we have many type of YouTube certified tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, RapidTag, Google Keyword Planner, and we are YouTube expert, and we are working on there many years, so we know how to do it because we have a lot of experience. So by
Okay.
that we have to optimize your videos, and not only that, it's SEO work, search engine optimization, and also we have other option, others process that's called organic promotion. And in this way, we have to just simply copy your videos link, and we have to share by using social media site like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit. This type of social media site use a lot of people. And also we have other option that's called boosting or Google Ads. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the Google Ads. But for first, we recommend you can choose SEO work because it's organic and very powerful. And after that, if you want to go with Google Ads, then we can do it, of course.
Okay. Okay. Great. No, I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm excited. I definitely look forward to working with you. I'll create the brand account once you send me the instructions. I'll get that done right away, and then I'll get you the permissions to be able to go in there to start your work, and then I'll obviously get you guys paid.
Okay, man. Okay, okay, sir. Thank you so much for joining with us. If you have any issue, then you can share my boy, or if you want to meet with us, then we can fix other meeting. So see you
Okay.
later.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try to do it. I mean, it should be pretty easy. I would assume I'll just follow the steps and then I'll get that done tonight or whenever you send the instructions and then we'll go from there.
Okay, okay, of course. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Have a great day for you. Thank you.
Bye
Appreciate it.
bye.
Okay, bye-bye.